I wish that heaven had visiting hours, so I could just show up and bring the news that she's getting older. And I wish that you met her. The things that you learned from me, I got them all from you. Can I just stay a while and we'll put all the world to rights? The little ones will grow and I'll still drink your favorite wine. And soon they're going to close, but I'll see you another day. So much has changed since you've been away. I wish that heaven had visiting hours, so I could just swing by and ask your advice. What would you do in my situation? I haven't a clue how I'd even raise them. What would you do? 'Cause you always do what's right. And we just took a while until my worries disappear. I'll tell you that I'm scared of turning out a failure. You'd say, remember that the answer's in the love that we create. So much has changed since you've been away. I wish that heaven had visiting hours, and I would ask them if I could take you home. But I know what they'd say, that it's for the best. So I will live life the way you taught me and make it on my own. I will close the door, but I will open up my heart. And everyone I love will know exactly who you are. 'Cause this is not goodbye, it is just till we meet again. So much has changed since you've been away.
Hi there, how are you? Today we are doing the dance visiting hours. 32 count to wall in the medians. There is one restart happened twice in wall 3 and 6. Both every count 8 and visit front wall. Now the dance. First section, weight on the left side of the right, forward sweep 130. Cross, back, 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 forward. Rock forward, hitch left, figure 4. Recover, half turn. Forward, spiral, full turn, run, 130, next action, rock, recover, back, cross, back, forward, together, forward, 1/4, forward, another quarter, square up 1/8, cross, side, next action, behind hitch left knee, back, recover, behind hitch right knee, back, recover, side, behind, quarter, forward, half turn, step forward, right, forward left, spiral, full turn. Last section, forward drag, forward drag, forward drag. Rock, recover, back sweep, back sweep, back sweep. Behind, forward, 730 to start the new wall. Now the count. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, and. This one will start happening twice in 1, 3, and 6. Have to count 8 and. Now 1, 3. 1, 2, and 3. 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and then we start 1, 2 and 3, same as wall 6. In the last wall, the last section after the forward drag, robbery, cover, backward, backward, backward. The ending, back to get and step forward on right for ending. So this is the whole dance. Hope you like it, and we'll see you next time.